Tired of messy date visualizations in Looker Studio? Let's transform that date chaos into clear, insightful trends. First, ensure your data source is connected and Looker Studio recognizes the date field here. We see our date field, transaction date, which Looker Studio has correctly identified as a date. Now, let's head over to the chart where you want to group your dates. Notice transaction date is in the dimension section, displaying individual dates. Click the pencil icon next to transaction date. This opens the field editor, where the magic happens. In the field editor, locate the type drop-down menu. This is where we define how to group our dates. Click on the drop-down. See all these options? You can group dates by year, quarter, month, week, or even day, if you want a more granular view. Let's choose month for this example. This will group all transactions within the same month together. Click Save. Looker Studio automatically updates your chart to reflect the monthly groupings. And there you have it. Your chart is now displaying sales trends by month, making it much easier to identify patterns. You can experiment with different groupings, like quarter or year, to find the level of detail that works best for your analysis. Happy analyzing!